First of all, I want you to know that Access 2010 does not support user-level security for databases created in earlier versions of Access. I'm not talking about 2007, but earlier than that, 2003, XP 2000. So those of you who want to be able to use that in 2010, unless it was created earlier, it's not going to be available for you in 2010. Here, I want to talk about how we can set up a trusted location folder that whenever we open up a database that has macros in it, that instead of always giving me the prompt or security alerts, I can go ahead and say, well, if it's in this folder, this is a trusted folder, don't give me those security alerts. Not only that, we can actually make the document trusted. For example, if I open up integration here, it gives me the security warning because there's some macros in here that it disabled. Why is it giving it to me now when in all the previous training videos I didn't get this prompt? Well, because I went ahead and I changed the alerts here by coming up here, clicking on the File tab, going to Options, coming over here, clicking on Trust Center, and then going over and clicking on the button, Trust Center Settings. And then here where it says Message Bar, it was never show information about block content. What was blocked? Well, it was the macro to disable all macros, but with notification. So it disables it, and the notification is the message bar that when I set it to go ahead and show me the message, displays the message or the notification. So let me go ahead and click OK, and that's what's being pulled up here. Now, if I enable the content, it's going to make this always trusted. How do I know? Well, if you click on the File tab, another way to do this is come down here to the Info, and then over to the right where it says Security Warning, click on Enable Content. When you click on that in the main screen, not in the backstage here, it's the same as clicking on this one right here to enable all content, which means always enable this document's active content. In other words, make this a trusted document. The other option is the advanced options. When you click on it, it says, okay, instead of making this always a trusted document by clicking on Enable All up at the top or in the backstage, you can go ahead and say, okay, enable this content for this session only. And then when I'm done, when I double click on it, give me the warning again. Or go ahead and help me protect me from unknown content. So when you click OK and you try to open up a macro, it's going to go, no, I don't trust the macros, so I'm going to go ahead and disable it. So you got a couple of options to choose from, okay? That is when you get these security warnings. So if I go ahead and click Cancel and click on Enable Content, this will always be a trusted document. So if I close out of integration, open it back up, I don't get the warning. But if I close out of this and open up another database that contains macros, I get the warning because this one, back again to integration, is now trusted. So when I open it up and let's say that I want to turn that trusting off for this document, click on File, go down to Options, click on Trust Center, go to Trust Center Settings, and then come up here where it says Trusted Documents, and you can go ahead and clear it. And it says, do you want to go ahead and clear it for all trusted documents? Because it doesn't keep a list here of trusted documents, so it's either all or nothing. Let's go ahead and say yes, click OK, click OK. Then when I close out of here and open up the same file, it's no longer trusted, and so I have to do it all over again. Now that was a file. What about a folder? I can go ahead and set it up for a folder where anything I put into that folder is going to be trusted. So if I come up here, click on the File tab, go to Options again, click on Trust Center, come over here and click on the Trust Center Settings, and there's the Trusted Locations. I can go ahead and select a new location because right now the only location that's trusted is, well, Office 14 or Office 2010. So it says, okay, go ahead and find that folder, click on Browse. Let me go to my desktop, and it's going to be my Exercises folder. Click OK, click OK, click OK, click Alright, close out. So when I open it back up again, it's trusted. Any file in that folder is trusted. And then to go ahead and remove this folder, the Exercises folder that is a trusted folder, click on Options, go to Trust Center, click on Trust Center Settings. There we go, Trusted Locations, select it, and let's go ahead and remove it. And then what I do is that I go to the message bar and I say never show the message, and for the macro settings, enable all of them. I mean, that's dangerous. I don't recommend it, but I do it because all the databases that I created, I trust. If I get it from you or somebody else, then okay, that's a different story. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.